Because we can't live some healthy, wealthy, well-balanced life and then go to this job that we hate. What researchers have found over the course of the last 20 to 30 years is that the vertical trust, that's the trust between employees and supervisors, this is what's lacking. This is at the very core, the very foundation of this issue that is keeping the global workforce from being engaged. We're actively checked out from our work. We're mentally just like, I don't like what I'm doing in the workplace. This isn't a new thing. We've all had bad bosses. Why is that the case? It's because we don't trust them. If you talk about the economics of trust, in a high trust team, cost goes down and speed goes up. In a low trust team, cost goes up and speed goes down. So Trust is this core element. When we hear these buzzwords like equality, diversity, inclusion, all anyone's really talking about is trust. In the workplace though, when we're talking about resources, we're talking about time and money and equipment. So this is much more tangible.